Hello and welcome to the We Talk Money Show. This show is all about answering your questions around money, be it investing, personal finance, cryptocurrency, the stock market, venture capital, or entrepreneurship. My name's Chris Dunn. I'm your host, and I'm here with my two amazing co-hosts. We've got the certified financial planner, Nikki, aka She Talks Finance. We've also got professional investor, Travis, who is from Stock Geek TV, who helped grow a hedge fund from $100 million to over $1 billion in assets under management. And in this very first episode of the show, we want to give you a little bit of background as to who we are, what we're about, and what you're going to get out of this show. So guys, thanks for being here with me.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Awesome. So let's go ahead and just dive right into some of our backgrounds and what your goals are with this show. So Nikki, why don't you kick us off and tell us who you are, what your background is, and go from there.
Yeah, so I'm Nikki Dunn, and I actually started off trading in the stock market a decade ago. That was all I did, was day trade the stock market. And this was where I developed somewhat of an obsession with the markets and with wealth building and in general. And I studied the heck out of it and ended up finally becoming a certified financial planner. And now I enjoy working on my biggest passion project, which is helping people with financial literacy, teaching people about financial education. I think money can be a very complex topic. It can be a very overwhelming topic for a lot of people. So I started She Talks Finance. It was funny because it actually started from a investing event that we did with the Skill Incubator. And one of the females that was there came up to me and was like, "Do you have investing conferences for women?" And I was like, "No, I don't. I don't have anything for just women, because this is such a male-dominated industry."
It is.
And that's kind of where She Talks Finance was born. And I tried to help women feel more confident and better about money. And I'm a mentor in the Skill Incubator community. So we have tons of entrepreneurs and investors in there. That's really fun. We're in there together talking shop. But yeah, that's what I do.
Awesome. And Travis, you're up.
Yeah, so I'm Travis, aka the Stock Geek, and it's an apt name because I truly am. I'm obsessed with stocks and the stock market. I have been for over 15 years now. I started out as traditional path. I got a finance degree from UT Austin, which is a great finance school, and went on to intern at Goldman Sachs, and then joined a hedge fund right out of college. And for the next 8 or 9 years, worked at a hedge fund and really just did deep fundamental research on companies, would build models and make investments and manage those investments, and really try to outperform the market. And so we thankfully had a really good track record, and I really learned how to make great investments. And so after leaving the hedge fund, I went and actually helped build a startup. I wanted to get some operational expertise, so I did that for a few years. And I just couldn't get away from my true passion, which is investing in markets and stocks. So I'm back managing my portfolio. And then also, like Nikki, I'm very passionate about helping others with stock market education and learning how to invest and learning how to avoid the dumb mistakes that a lot of people do to blow themselves up. So
awesome.
Yeah.
So I'll also give you guys a little background. My name's Chris Dunn. I am absolutely obsessed with the concept of what money means in our society today, right? We're going through a really interesting period in time where we are literally redefining what money means with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and borderless transactions. And so I've had a YouTube channel for about 10 years where I've done educational content around investing and entrepreneurship. And I thought, what better way to help people than bring together the smartest people I know in the money space and answer all of your questions about investing and personal finance. And it doesn't matter if you're just starting off your wealth accumulation journey and you're just getting started, or if you're closer to retirement and you're looking to optimize things for your retirement path. We're going to cover all things personal finance, from how to optimize your portfolio, how to make sure you're doing the right kind of tax planning and all of the things that fall under that umbrella, as well as just looking at latest news, the biggest trends, where we see the most opportunity in the markets. And so I would just encourage you to go to wetalkmoney.com to submit any questions that you have for the show. And also subscribe on iTunes or Spotify or anywhere else you can get access to the podcast. And I know we are really excited to be kicking off this new show. So thank you guys for being here. Thanks for listening to this first episode, and we will see you next time. Take care.